to say something. I'm from Belgium. And I'm gonna talk in English because then everyone understands. I'm fucking proud to be the bottleneck tonight with this amazing band called Hercules and Love Affair. And thank you all for coming out tonight. Thank you so much. This bar, I couldn't touch how to love yourself. I waited patiently. I thought that you would be the one to come to me. I tried to talk to you. I thought that you recognized me. You were deep inside, and you had to get there by yourself. Help me please, tell me everything and make me see. Know that I would give you anything. I'll take away your pain, yeah, I'll take away your sting. I don't understand, help me please.